Hello guys, ano na ngayon? 11:01 na ngayon pa lang kami aalis. Kasi, matagal kami mag-ready. Sa Legoland kami pupunta, balikan ko kayo pag nandun na kami. Ito si Tasha, ready na pareho kami ng outfit. Purple kami. Bye! Play mo lang. Just the bread na lang. Let's go! So, galing kami ng Sakae Station. Pupunta kami ng Nagoya Station. Tapos lilipat kami sa Onami Line. Dito daw yon. Grabe. Wait. Ano yun? Ito yung sabi. Onami Line. Malaki ng Nagoya Station. Tatanong ko lang dito. Baka doon yun. May Tetsu. Ayun yung sign. Onami Line pa din. Ayan, tingnan nyo lang yung mga signs, guys. So, nakalagay naman dito, Onami Line. Dito rin pala yung mga papuntang Shinkansen. Ano na, 11:41 na dito. Pero ito naman na yung ride na huli. Marami lang stops, kaya pinapatry ko kumain si Tasha, ayaw niya. So na yung Onami Line. Diretso pa daw, ang layo. Tapos dito pala, iba-iba yung bayad per line sa train. Hindi siya yung isang bibilin mo ticket, tapos connect nyo siya. Hindi. Lalabas ka pa. Tapos, babayad ka ulit. Onami. Saan pa ba yun? Lalabas pa ako. Lalabas pa tayo. Kasi Shinkansen to eh. Ayun, doon pa sa liliko daw. Dito sa left daw. Ayan. Ang daming pagkain dito. Sobrang busy ng station, guys. Diba? Kanina ganito kami, tapos may dala pa akong maleta. Grabe. Pagod is real. Tinignan ko pala kanina, may dinownload kasi ako na app yung nire-recommend ng hotel pag magbubook ka daw ng taxi. Go Taxi ba yun? Tapos nag-register ako, na-check ko kung magkano mula hotel namin hanggang Legoland, 8,000 plus yen. Mga 3,000 pesos. Ito yung pamasahe namin nung una. 1 adult plus 1 child. From Sakae Station to Nagoya Station. 310 lang. 210 kasi pag walang bata eh. Ayun, ang dami kainan dito. Ano ba ito, mga udon? Ayun o. Ito na. Onami. Tapos dito tayo bababa sa Kinjofuto Station. Teka lang. English. Ito pala. Ito guys, 360. One-way ticket. Ito, one adult plus one child ay 540. Ito na lang bayad ko. Bills. So, 540 yen. Ang ano namin, mamasahe namin dalawa. So, ito siya. Ayan. Pasok na tayo. So, ganito din tayo mamaya pag pauwi. Oo namin, ayun. Wait lang ah. Ay, IC lang dito. Dito tayo. Okay. Ano siya? Tapos, okay, so yung may ganitong mark pala, ito, yun yung pang bata. So, Aonami platform. May elevator naman. Hanapin na lang natin yun para hindi nabababa si Tasha. Elevator na lang tayo. Pero ayun na oh. Okay. Doon na lang ako. Medyo naiihi na nga ako eh, pero doon na lang. Tahimik dito ah. Sa Aonami platform. Aonami station. Ayan, ito. Elevator. Ano daw to? Magra-ride tayo ng 10 stops. So, ito nakalagay, for Kinjo Futo, sa track 1 tayo. Pareho din. Parehong track pala, 1 or 2. Okay. Parehong Kinjo Futo pala daw. Okay. So, dito sila nakapila. Dito na lang din tayo. Ito siya guys. Ayun yung Shinkansen. So, siguro pag galing kayo ng Osaka or Tokyo, dito kayo. Hintayin muna natin. Are you hungry? Do you wanna try again the ano? No? Water? Oh? Here. You have to go down na pag nandiyan na yung train. Tasha, baba ka.
From track number 1.
Baba ka, sasakay tayo. Baba ka. Hold your phone, ah. Sit ka agad sa kahit anong chair. Wait, wait, wait. Oh, sit na agad. Tasha. Yan. Good job. Matagal to. Mahaba ang ride. Higa ka. Guys, dito kami sumakay. Ito yung sinakyan namin. Yung ako namin line. Ay, sira yung elevator. So, mag-aano tayo, Tasha? Bababa ka. Walang escalator. Hanap tayo doon. Wala. Oh, sira. Sira yung elevator. Phone mahawak mo ah. Oh no. Kailangan mo bumabata siya. Baba ka. Oh, hold ka. Okay, the struggle is real. Buhat-buhat. Pag ako nahulog dito, last day ko na. Napaka-helpful nitong chest mount. Hindi ko na kailangan humawak ng camera for the vlog. Okay. Tapos, sakay ka. Saan nga yung exit, Legoland. Pero kailangan natin 100. Ha? Coke Zero. Wala eh. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Hold. Ay! So, 190 yan yung Coke. Hold it lang. Careful ah. Pag sold out na. Exit. Akyat tayo. Akyat. Ay, hindi, wait. Platform to eh. Wait. Exit, dito pala. Okay. Kailangan ko, hindi ko na yung ticket. Ito yung sa bata, yung may mark. Wait, hindi na. Yun, may ganun siyang beep pag bata. Ito naman pag walay. So, ayan, may sign na Legoland, Japan. Dito tayo sa right side. Can I put this here? Sa side mo? Okay. Tapos, ayun na siya. Kita niyo ba yun? Yung Legoland. Teka lang, ha? Okay. Andun na. Lalakarin na lang natin si Legoland. Ano na ngayon? 12:34 na sa Japan time. Ito, furniture dome. Ano kaya to? Lakad lang natin to, tapos update ko kayo pag nandun na kami. Pero kita na siya dito. Ayan o. There's the Legoland Hotel Otasha. You can see it here na. That one. The colorful building. That's a hotel. Ito yung furniture dome mo, yung parang our home sa atin. Buti may ramp. Wow, may slide dito. Oh, walang tao. Or nasa loob na sila kasi. Mamaya mag-elevator tayo paakyat. Mahirap mag-ramp. Okay. Legoland, Japan. Wait, picturean ko lang. Hanap na daw kami agad ng churros. Ito kami. Guys, ganito ang struggle ko. Churros. Oh, may steak dito. At parang walang tao. Yung mga tindahan, oh. Closed. Ito, closed. Rest area. Ebisen. $12.40 na. Ito na yung sea life. Yung aquarium. Ito, kainan siguro to. Ayan o. Mga curry. Hanggang 3 o'clock lang tong Ichibanya, oh. Ito yung menu nila. Ayan. Mga puro curry. Parang okay din i-try. Hindi ko na in-avail yung Sea Life na aquarium sa Agoda. May combo kasi yun dito sa Legoland. Kasi kaka-aquarium lang naman namin sa Lotte World. Nung, kailan nga yun? March. So, focus na lang muna tayo ngayon dito sa Legoland, Japan! Wow! Wow! Look!
Wait, I want to check something there.
Okay. Oh, it's mga steaks. Do you want that?
I want chocolate.
Oh, there's pancake. Oh, gusto mo pancake? Kain ka muna.
Yeah.
Ha?
I want
Ha? Steak?
steak.
Okay, dito tayo kakain. Ha? Ano gusto mo dyan?
I want
What kind of steak? Which one? Dito pa. Ano gusto mo? Pili ka. Ito pa oh. Dito, tingin ka. Ito oh, ribeye. Gusto mo to? Dito na kami guys, sa Legoland. Ayan siya.
Don't go far from me.
Bakit?
Because I'm going to get you.
Yeah, I'm here. Welcome to Legoland! Whee!
Mommy, can we go inside that there?
Sige. Gusto na niya ng steak niya. Asya, sit ka na. Doon ka na ng seat, oh. Dito. Diyan ka na o doon? Okay.
Mommy, can you use the clothes as a pattern?
Oo.
Okay.
Thank you. Check na natin tong menu. Ay. Si mama. Okay. Thank you. Meron din daw silang QR code. Pero nakita ko na yung cut steak na gusto niya eh. Ito. Simasen. This one, 200. Order. Oh, okay, okay. Thank you. Kailangan
Let me see this.
Kailangan pa daw i-scan to order, guys. May CR kaya dito? Naiihina ako.
Hey, Mommy. They told her I'll eat them cuts.
Yeah, ito order.
But now, what are you gonna eat?
Share tayo doon. Malaki yun eh.
Okay.
Ito guys, yung in-order namin. Ito.
Super cool.
Oo.
The cut steak looks.
Yeah. The cut steak, 280 grams yung binili namin. 2,440 to siya with tax.
Mommy, but how much is?
So, ito guys, may kasamang salad, tsaka soup. Tapos yung rice.
Ooh, that's good.
So, ito yung isa-scan nyo guys pag-order. Ito yung steak sa tapat ng Legoland. Ito, kita niya agad eh.
What's this? Look.
Ito yung steak. Yan yung price niya. Wala tayo soup. Thank you. So, ito yung kaset niya. Large rice. Yung steak na lang yung kulang. Wow. Thank you. So, hot. So hot. Okay. Thank you. Sabi na sobrang init daw. Are you ready?
Look at that.
Sweet. Natasha.
Oh, so you.
Sobrang hot. I
Wait, look at.
you.
Whoa. Look at these vegetables. Oh, you can eat the vegetables.
Yeah, I will eat them.
Wait, is this carrots? Is this carrots? Why does it look like that? Look here. Yo, this looks cool. Whoa. You like this? Okay.
Oh, so hot.
Do you call the camera? How hot is it? Do you know how to slice?
They
Ooh, I like
also
this
have the
one.
sauce. You want the sauce?
What's the sauce look like?
Hmm?
What's the sauce? Where's the sauce? What does the sauce taste like,
Here.
ba?
I put sauce here. Wait lang.
Here?
Han mo.
In the black tape, in the black, okay. Ooh.
How's it?
It's juicy.
Wow. Okay. Ito. Lalagyan natin ng sauce. Lagyan mga
Oh my
cauliflower.
god, it's so yummy.
Oh, try mo muna kumain.
I already tried it. It was yummy.
Oh, yan. Sige, kain ka na.
It's like juicy.
Juicy.
Yeah, super juicy.
Super juicy.
It's also super yummy.
Oh, sauce, guys.
Ooh, I will try it with the sauce. First, mommy, can you try it? The
Wait, I'll
sauce
try
tastes
it na
like.
lang here. Is it salty?
No, not salty.
Mmm.
Mmm. The sauce is actually yummy.
Okay ka na ng rice, oh. That's nice more for you, ha? Parang hindi na tayo magugutom naman.
I'll just put this here.
Bukas na tayo magyayakin dito.
So after we eat, are we going there?
Yes, together.
Okay. The steak is super yummy.
Yes. I'll give you more. Wait. Mm. Ito marami, ah.
I still like the sauce. I still like the sauce, but I like the steak more without the sauce. Mm. The steak is super yummy.
It's super expensive, so you have to eat it, okay? This steak is just 1,000 pesos. The steak. It's 1,000 pesos. So it's really, really expensive.
What happens to the salad?
400
So the soup
together.
also was 1,400. Okay. I like the steaks when they're like juicy. How do we like make it more juicy?
They know how to cook it.
Do I do it like this?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it is now juicy.
Maybe the more juicy ones.
It's so juicy. The cut steak is my favorite.
Wow. Really? Potatoes. Come on. Come on. It's just like fries. good, may CR. Huh? Okay. Ha? Fountain. Yeah. So, ito yung ano, yung aquarium. Eh, hindi na kami pupunta dyan. Hello. Hello. Bait naman nila. Hanapin ko lang yung ticket namin sa Agoda ko to na-book. Inspect daw yung bag. Thank you. So yun guys, skinan lang yung QR, yung barcode. You wanna ride that? CR muna ako dito. Ha? Ha? Yes, anything you want. You can ride anything you want. Thank you. Oh, bibibi lang ako. Ikaw, hindi ka na bibibi? Hindi ka bibibi? O, dyan ka lang Hey guys, nag-CR na kami. Ako lang pala. May mga kainan din dito. May lockers. Pero hindi ako magla-locker kahit mabigat yung bag ko. Kasi baka kailangan ko. Anong unang gusto mo, Tasha? Na ride. Yung nasa taas. O, sige. Ha? What? How will we? Yeah, it's for kids. Everything is for kids. Oh, halika, baba ka. Sakay tayo. We're gonna line up here. Iwanan mo na lang yung coke dyan.
Rotates so that you can enjoy the entire view of Legoland Japan during the ride. Please approach one of our staff members if you have any questions. Enjoy the aerial voyage of Legoland.
大家好，欢迎光临 Observation Tower。
Don't press that. So, iniwan namin yung stroller namin doon sa area na yon. Tapos, walang pila o kami agad. Feeling ko madami kami masasakyan kasi hindi marami yung tao. Wow. So, we go up here and then you will see the whole place and then you choose which one you wanna ride next, okay? Because when we reach the top, you're gonna see the whole Legoland. Okay? So, you choose which one you wanna go. Oh, look, there's a Lego toy village here.
皆さんこんにちは。オブザベーションタワーへようこそ。オブザベーションタワーは
Where you wanna go? Here na lang. Wow. Oh, where do you wanna sit? Here?
Yeah.
Okay. Whee!
空のお散歩へと出発いたします。安全のため最後までお席に座ったままでご覧ください。
We can check the places there, yung mga toys. Wow!
You wanna ride that? Yung may boat?
Ha?
Pirate Shores. Yung din.
So, Pirate Shore yung Lex, and then that one, the spinning cups. Do you want that? Or that one?
Wait.
Oh, the car! Yeah. Which one? That one. Roller coaster. Okay, that one first. And then the boat.
No, I want another roller coaster.
Smile. Again.
That one also, but I don't know if there are people there. Oh yeah!
Let's do it again.
Saan yung Oh yeah, yung roller coaster!
That's the roller
Saan
coaster.
yung car driving?
That's the roller coaster you were talking about. Look at that! Look at that rectangular doing that.
Oh yeah!
What the?
Ayun yung ginawa niya ni Daddy, yung nag-up and down.
The one that is spinning?
Bye-bye!
Ah, dito.
Dito yung exit ata eh.
Oo na, dito.
Sa other side, halika.
Dito na.
Hindi, dito. Oh, see?
Oh, okay. In the back, I think. I think it was at the back of the ride. I think it was. I think it was.
Miniland. Saan ba yun? I think it's somewhere here.
I think it was like on the back. Yeah, I think.
Ha? Dito ba yun? Ayaw mo yung pirate muna?
I want the big place
Okay.
first.
Ang ganda nito guys, oh. Uy, oh, cute.
It is, but I want
Look.
to go to the big place first.
A nice village.
You know what a village is? You know what a you know what a village is?
What a village is?
Do you know what is a village?
Is it this one?
Is it? I don't know. If it,
Oh yeah, it is. The
wait,
big
what?
place.
What do you mean? It's the big place.
Miniland. Diba? Walang tao, oh.
Yeah, what should we do?
I don't know what this is for. There's no one here. Let's just ride the pirate. Oh, Tasha.
Mom, where did I put this now?
Wait lang.
I want yellow.
Palit tayo kaya.
I can still go pink.
Kasi this one will cover my camera eh. Yan.
Mom,
Okay.
It looks like a dress to me.
Yeah.
It's so big. It's so big.
Okay, tanggalin natin itong mic. Baka mabasa. Ah, liga. Tasha, come. Uh-oh.
Please take a seat. Oh, please don't shoot. We don't spray oxide shooting, okay? Okay, let's go.
You can shoot. You're gonna roll it. Sige, like this, oh. Like this. Uh-oh, cover your head, Tasha. Cover. Cover your head. Woo! Tasha, smile. Oh no! My body is wet. Cover! Shoot mo dito! Whee! Roll it! Ganyan, pa-forward! I'm so wet! Uh-oh! Your body? We have extra pants here. Oh no! It's raining.
Oh, it's not just that. Oh, it's a shark. It's a shark. It's a shark. It's a shark.
You wet us. Me too. Look at my face. Someone's shooting us. You silly booty. You silly. Ah, no. No. We're so wet, Tasha.
There's a voice in my head. It's got a way of playing louder in the quiet. Some
That's my
days we get so violent. Shut 'em up, but they never stay silent. Running
Oh man. Wait. Wait lang. Wet ba yung back ko? Teka lang ah. Your shoes? Where naman? What should we ride? Next. Wait. Oo. Wait, hold this. Oh, sige, dito na lang. Grabe, nabasa kami doon, guys. Go! Start mo again! Start again! Grabe, nabasa kami doon. Yung mga, may yung iba, wala silang dalang raincoat. Ewan ko saan sila kumuha ng plastic. Pero yung para sa gamit namin, binigyan kami ng plastic. Silagay ko itong backpack ko sa loob. Kasi sabi, very wet daw. Ayun, basa nga kami eh. So, thank you sa nanay ko na nagpadala ng raincoat. Pang ulan talaga yun eh. Hindi, actually, pang yun eh. Pang go bag namin, yung emergency. Dinala ko lang kasi nga baka umulan. Hanggang ano oras ba ito ngayon? 2 pa lang naman. Na si Tasha. Yan ang mga bet niya eh. Basa yung likod ko. Tignan nyo, na-feel ko talaga umagos yung basa eh. Sa likod ko. Ayan si Tasha. Kaya natin. Yung stroller namin, babalikan namin doon sa kabila. Nabasa rin yung bagong sapatos. Di naman sobrang basa. Nakatago naman. Konti lang. Wow, ang galing ni Tasha oh. Tapos yun doon pa sa ride na yun, talagang binabasa niya kami. Yung may mga nanonood lang sa labas, tapos pwede nila kami tirahin, mababasa kami. Is it hard? Oh, halika na. Find na tayo na iba. You wanna ride this one, the roller coaster? Oh no. Sure? Kunin lang natin yung stroller natin doon. So on the other side. So ito yung sinakyan namin, yung Pirate Shore. We're going to get the on the other side. Huh? Did you have fun doon sa ride?
Yes, but I don't know how to do it.
The what?
Oh,
The wall climbing? Eh, yun nga, you have to be tall. If you, eh, to reach it. Ito guys, ang cute oh. You have to be tall to reach the other rocks. If you're not tall enough, you cannot reach it with your legs and your hands.
You have to have long arms.
Yeah.
So when you become tall, you have long arms?
Yeah. Look at me. I'm taller than you. I can reach that. Ang ganda ng mga Lego. Lego ba yan o ano lang? Lego City. Ayun yung tower oh. Yung Mirai Tower. Ito yung mga raincoat namin. Sinupot ko.
I didn't know that's Lego.
Yeah. Come, let's get the stroller. Nakakaloka talaga yung basa sa amin. Ang saya-saya. Basa yung puwet ko.
That guy was shooting.
Yeah, there were many guys shooting at us. So cute. Ang ganda ng mga Lego. Oh. Yeah. Uh-oh. Let's just get it. Oh, ito may playground oh. Baka gusto mo dito. Oh, let's ride something muna. Saan na yun? Saan natin nilagay yung stroller? Hindi dito. Wait lang. Ah, dito. Ako na lang kukuha. Doon oh. Baka mabasa ka kasi eh. Ha? Stay ka lang here. Wait lang. Dito ka lang stay ah. Oh. Okay. Oh, baba ka na. Play ka. Sige. Wow! They're gonna get... Huwag ka dyan ah. Dito ka lang sa dry. Yeah, you can play.
There's a voice in
I'm just gonna sit here, okay? Dito muna ako. Maglalaro daw siya dito sa playground. Ayan. Andun siya.
Wish I could bottle it up and use all these tears for something. Pour it up, I'll try it. Pour it up. All my plans are dying, but there ain't no use in crying when I go outside and smile and take one look inside of my head. I'm freaking out, and I'm the only one around. I'm trying, but all my plans are dying. Yesterday's coffee, still just like the words in my head. But if it's all a simulation and I'm still in my bed, set me on fire, 'cause I'd love to see tomorrow again. I can't explain it, but I swear sometimes we're better off dead. Okay, I'm so sick of everybody around here is just a carbon copy of someone else. Everybody is sick, but I'm more sick of myself. All my plans.
Oh, careful. Oh, go. Oh, stop. Oh, okay lang. You can sit anywhere. Oh yes, may shark.
キャプテン、海の下には何百匹も魚がいるに違いないわ。今下手な赤松傘も探してみてちょうだい。ここにはいくつかの天狗サルの仲間がいるわ。彼らは文字通り天狗の花のようにおでこの角が突き出しているの。
Oh, look.
みんなセンサーと反応あり。魚の群れが遺跡の周りにいるようだわ。
コンピューター、カメラを記録してくれ。外部カメラから写真を撮ってデータベースに登録しよう。
美しい生き物よ。
Baka yun na yung nakakonect sa aquarium.
みんなもし自分のカメラを持っていたらたくさん写真を撮ってみんなの研究に役立ててちょうだい。だけどお魚はとっても敏感だからフラッシュ機能がオフになっていることを確認してほしいわ。もしお魚の名前がわからなかったら上の図鑑を見るの。さあ何種類のお魚を探せるかしら。あの遺跡の周りを泳いでいるトラックザメが見えるかしら。みんなも気づいたかもしれないけどトラック。
あ、これから宝物と意外とここの魚たちもとってもカラフルだ。
本当ね、キャプテン。真っ青のお魚店があるけど、生まれた時には島模様があるの。大きいので、ラクザメは2.5メートルにもなるよ。この潜水艦よりも幅が広いわ。けどね、この魚はとてもフレンドリーだから心配いらないわ。
What's happening?
さあ、意外とここの魚たちもとってもカラフルだ。
本当ね、キャプテン。
行くぞ、しっかり捕まえ。
クリップのご了承、センサーに反応あり、お帰りなさい。
研究員諸君、つまり参加して研究を楽しみにしている。
そうね、本当にありがとう。ありがとうございます。
Dito daw na siya. Dito. Here. Ayun yung sinakyan namin, guys. Submarine. Ito na. Wow. Tingnan mo kung ano meron dyan. Ano meron? You wanna go inside? Sige. Come out here, ah. Pumasok si Tasha doon sa buta. Ha, yeah. I didn't see you there. Tara. Nice. Cute yung Lego bago. Lego. 6,500 yen. Oh, halika na. Oh, tara, dito ka, oh.
皆さんお帰りなさい。空のお散歩いかがでしたか？順番に
あ、
安全ま
sakay ka.
でに。
一人まではね、もう2、3歳以上はこれはね、俺気持ちよく一番早く見える。
Saan ba yung entrance? Dito pala, Tash. Tasha, here. Wow! Ay, get my stroller. You want here naman? You wanna play there? Halika. Okay lang, malapit lang eh. Oh, play ka na dyan. Dito lang ako. Careful ah. Tasha! Hi! Careful ah! Tasha, go! Thank you. Number 6. Ito daw. Go. Sakay ka na. Whee!
Please what just said. Please what just said.
Oh. Okay.
Oh, we talked about this.
Yan. How do you, oh. I don't know. Maybe that guy. Maybe that, the red spots, the red dots. I don't know. Oh, the red dots. The red dots. Oh, diba?
Mother, because every night you say yellow.
Oh, the snake. Oh, tapos na. It's the end. Oh, I have many points. That's my score.
Why are you shooting more? That isn't fair. How?
I don't know.
How? Why do you have so many points? Go back there.
Huh?
I want to go back there.
Where?
Parents are allowed there.
Huh?
Parents are allowed there.
Inside?
Yeah.
But my knees hurt. I cannot go up and down.
No, Mommy, you just like that.
Okay, but my bag is heavy. Okay, I'll try.
Then you're supposed to get balls.
Huh?
And then you have to. I'll teach you how to do it.
You'll teach me how to...
How to do it.
So, niyayaya niya ako dito sa Pharaoh's Revenge. Kasi fun daw at pwede naman daw ang parents. Kailangan sa akin ng tuhod ko. Oh. Ay, nauntog na nga, oh. Tignan nyo, nauntog na. Oh. Okay.
Mommy, when you're ready, I don't really care to sleep.
What? Okay.
You care to sleep. Let's go. You ready?
Go.
Alright. Ready.
Okay. So, dito daw kami guys pupunta. Mauntog na naman ako dito. Oopsie. Oopsie. Hi, sorry. Okay. Oh. Ah.
They're falling balls. There's infinite balls. Get some.
Come here. Why are they... ayan yung mga mag-exit. Entrance. Wow.
There's a voice in my head. It's got a way of playing louder in the quiet. It's been getting so violent. Shut them up, but they never stay silent. Running around for nothing. Should've seen it coming. Wish I could bottle it up and use all these tears for something. Pour it up, don't shut it. Pour it up. All my plans are dying, but there ain't no use in crying when I go outside and smile and take one look inside of my head. I'm freaking out, and I'm the only one around. I'm trying, but all my plans are dying. Yesterday's coffee, still just like the words in my head. But if it's all a simulation and I'm still in my bed, set me on fire, 'cause I'd love to see tomorrow again. I can't explain it, but I swear sometimes we're better off dead. Okay, I'm so sick of everybody around here is just a carbon copy of someone else. Everybody is sick, but I'm more sick of myself. All my plans are dying, but there ain't no use in crying when I go outside and smile and take one look inside of my head. I'm freaking out, and I'm the only one around. I'm trying, but all my plans are dying. All my plans are dying, but there ain't no use in crying when I go outside and smile and take one look inside of my head. I'm freaking out, and I'm the only one around. I'm trying, but all my plans are dying. There's a voice in my head. It's got a way of playing louder in the quiet. It's been getting so violent. Shut them up, but they never stay silent. Running around for nothing. Should've seen it coming. Wish I could bottle it up and use all these tears for something. Pour it up, don't shut it. Pour it up. All my
What can I see? What's that? What's your license?
This is not a real one,
Huh?
It's not a real one,
Yeah, can I see?
Look at that. Look at the helmet. It's cool.
Wow, ano na yung ano niya? Driver's license daw niya. Itong mga socks, oh. 2.8. Itong mga t-shirt. Cute sana, kaya lang 3.5. Ito may towel. Huh?
How?
Ah. sige. Ngayon na?
I want to wear
So, binubuo mo yan. Kaya gusto mo buuin. Hello guys, tapos na kami sa Legoland. 5 o'clock pala yung sara nila, yung closing time. Sabi dun sa Google, hanggang 4 lang. Tapos dumating kami 1 something na kumain pa kami ng lunch, yung steak nga. Pero 5 pala siya talaga nagsasara. Tapos, madami kami na rides. As in, kahit na late kayo dumating, parang mahasakyan nyo pa rin lahat. Kasi talagang, konti lang yung pila, kahit maraming tao, mabilis yung rides. Tapos, nakakatuwa, madami talagang pambata. Compared dun sa Legoland sa Korea, sa Chuncheon, parang mas okay dito sa Japan. Kasi nung pumunta kami dun sa Chuncheon, parang kakabukas lang din ng Legoland dun. Tapos, hindi pa open lahat ng rides. Pero dito sa Nagoya, ang dami talagang rides. Konti lang yung sarado. Tapos may mga playground, may mga parang, alam niyo yung mga laruan na mga akyat-akyat sila. Tapos may mga balls, may mga parang, mga lubid. Ano ba yun? Hindi ko ma-explain. Yung may mga net na laruan. Tapos pwede silang maglaro sa mga basa-basa na playground. Andito kami ngayon sa Legoland Hotel. Dito lang sa tapat. Pwede kayo tumambay dito pag napapagod kayo. Naglalaro si Tasha dito ng, ng Legos. Hindi ko alam kung saan kami pupunta dito after. Baka pupunta kami dun sa Kynes Mall, yung may malaking book off. Nakapunta na kasi kami dun dati. Pero many years ago na mga 2015. Magtitingin lang ako ng mga ukay-ukay. Kasi on the way naman na siya. Parang 2 stops from here. Yun. Nakita na namin siya kanina nadaanan namin. So, ayun. Sobrang sulit. I-book nyo to sa Agoda. Gamitin nyo yung promo code ko, yung Shane Travel. Mas mura siya. Hindi namin in-avail yung may combo na Sea Life Aquarium. Pero, meron ng combo kung gusto nyo pa din yun. So, ayun lang guys. Bye! Bye Legoland Japan! We had so much fun! See you next time. Next time naman, sama natin si Collie and Daddy Ryan. Bye! Did you have fun? What's your favorite ride?
Crazy.
The Crazy Roller Coaster? Okay, yun daw favorite niya, yung roller coaster. Yung the Dragon. Sige guys, bye! So, ito yung Sea Life Aquarium. Pag gusto nyo yan, ito yung combo, ha? Okay, book nyo sa Agoda using my discount code, Shane Travel. Bye!